isn't a limit that we could see or even touch. It's a limit that after some point only they can touch. The more you spend, of course, it's increasing, but you cannot also see what is the limit. You have to ask a representative. It's one of the least jobs that representatives are used for, okay, to tell you if the API is working, if the limit is this and how much it is and everything. But this is all about. Now, on the other side, I have to tell you that there are agencies that are doing huge advertisements and stuff. They're having a lot of clients and they're having a very big portfolio. These agencies, and there are rare cases that I have seen these agencies, they have access to the concierge, or how they are called, of Facebook, and they can get ad accounts unbanned like this. Okay, so the very big companies now are swifting to agencies, but you need to spend, for example, 1 million per month. Okay, this is the account that they are going to actually take. But there are very big agencies that they have this kind of accounts, and they have access to the big top people of Facebook that they can get accounts unbanned super fast. Wow. Okay, just so you know.